So now we're going to welcome Anastasia Pistofidou, who's a Greek architect specialized in digital fabrication technologies, design, and education. She has a master's degree from the Institute for Advanced Architecture of Catalonia and Digital Tectonics, and a bachelor degree from the Aristotle University of Thessaloniki, Department of Architecture. So she currently works as a director of the FabTextiles Research Lab and the Fabric Academy. She combines the analog and the digital towards applied research focused on new materials, arts, and textile. Please give her a warm welcome. 5 minutes.
Okay, hello. Definitely my presentation is not of 5 minutes. As I was introduced, I co-founded FabTextiles and Material Labs in 2013 at FabLab Barcelona. It was just a crazy idea, and it was basically because there was not many people applying digital fabrication technologies into the textiles, fashion, and wearable market. And it's very current, and it's very logic that we need to update the textile industry. If we see this picture, we will see that 100 years ago, the machinery and the equipment that they were using for yarn spinning is almost the same as today. So what happened? Did we dream enough? Maybe we didn't dream enough. Actually, no, we dreamt enough. And what was written in the 60s in science fiction literature about people that will be augmenting their senses with new technologies is now becoming true. And we can see all these new gadgets that you can say, or maybe patches that we can wear that they are a sister body. But also at the same time, we're changing our aesthetics and the way we see fashion and the way we think about fashion and the way we can imagine and dream and design fashion. So Buckminster Fuller said that you can never change things by fighting the existing reality. To change something, you should build a new model that makes the existing model obsolete. And this is what we are doing. This is the maker revolution. This is the open source culture. We are changing from bottom up the way we are producing, consuming. So maybe you have heard also about the new type of the consumer, which is not a consumer, but he's a prosumer. He's producing for his needs that he consumes. And this is happening inside the FabLab network, where I have established the FabTextiles lab. The FabLab network is an amazing network, more than 1,300 Fab Labs counting for the last 14 years now. And the FabTextile Lab is the first textile lab in the FabLab network globally. Afterwards, of course, I have traveled a lot and established many FabTextiles lab all over the world. Now we are doing a lot of experimental research. Actually, we normally have a methodology of putting a question and trying to answer our question with applied tangible objects. And we have created this webpage where it is like a Thingiverse for the ones that they know for digital patterns. So you can freely download your pattern and your reconfigurable garment for that. But we also think about design as a holistic approach. So we start by designing our own material. We start, because in design, most of the times you don't think where the material comes from. So we have published 2 open source books with the help of people working in the lab. One is The Secrets of Bioplastic, made by Clara Davis. And also, we made products that they can showcase how you can make your own bioplastics. And we did also recipes, and we created the bioplastic cookbook so that you can follow all these recipes online and do these things at home and by yourself. We work with bacterial leather, like as you can see in the exhibition, this amazing kombucha leather. And we also create bacterial pigments. So we work in a synergy with nature, and we co-designed together with the chromobacteria. And we have also established the small biolab. We actually occupied the elevator of the school, and we made it a biolab, because if you don't do it, then somebody else will do it. And if you don't dream it, then somebody else will dream it. And we normally say that you have to start small, and you can start by yourself. Because if we think about it, 20 years ago, there was not a discipline of like a web developer or an app designer. So actually, we are creating our own discipline. We also use computational design. So we say that we are not designing products anymore, but we are designing systems. This was a video that was supposed to be playing automatically, but it's PowerPoint, so it doesn't work. So, and we also create our new tools to create new processes. So design your material, design your process, and design your tool with which you're going to do your process. We collaborate with many artists through European fund projects that they do interactive garments. We create our own DIY soft sensors for measuring our body. This is for dancing, for dancers. And we also do hardware acceleration for companies that they are startups, and normally, by definition, startups, they don't have so much money to work with. So I have 3 seconds, so we make many exhibitions. And last year, we actually, so we have been doing exhibitions since 2013. And last year, we started with the Textile and Clothing Business Lab European program that helped us establish a course that is also responding to what is distributed education, what is the future of education. So it's a program that is called Fabricademy. It's a transdisciplinary course, and today you have many students that they are doing the course here along with us, so I'm very touched, and I'm finishing. And it focuses on the development of new technologies applied in the textile industry. Its broad range of applications from new sustainable biomaterials to the upcoming wearable market. And we are running this program simultaneously, both digitally and physically, in many fab labs and universities and garages and makerspaces of the world. So we have around 70 nodes this year. Last year we have 13. And all these people are doing this course, which is a new discipline that we have prescribed in the content. So what I wanted to conclude is that when William Gibson, this Canadian science fiction author, that introduced the term cyberspace, was talking about that the future is here, but it's not widely distributed. I would say you can be relaxed now, William Gibson. The future is here, and it is widely distributed.
Thank you very much.
Okay, I can take a breath now.